Hello, my dudes. Rob from OpenSourceEV here, and I'm stoked to be back with another brand new product for the Rivian R1T and R1S. What you're looking at is the all-new OpenSourceEV Stealth Phone Mount, a project that's been in development for over 6 months and is finally ready for you to buy or download and 3D print yourself for little to no cost. This is the latest evolution of what's been called the best phone mount in the world for Rivian vehicles. Over the past 3 years, we've fulfilled nearly 10,000 Rivian orders and talked with hundreds of Rivian owners about what they want most in a phone mount. The number one request: make it disappear. The Rivian interior is stunning on its own. Don't distract from it. That became our mission, and we think we nailed it. We started with our proven next-gen Evo design. Strong, simple to install, no fragile clips, and removable in under 15 seconds. From there, we stripped away everything unnecessary and focused on making it visually vanish. The new design is still ultra strong and slimmer than ever. We completely reworked the bar ends so they blend in seamlessly and don't catch light. We tucked the right side further behind the infotainment screen so it's invisible from both the driver and passenger views. The ball mount is now recessed, giving it a cleaner, more integrated look. And we've developed an all new, ultra low clearance texture ball so the mount sits tighter against the dash. We've paired this new mount with one of our favorites, the ultra reliable Lysen MagSafe phone holder. Together, they create a floating O effect that securely, magnetically holds your phone right where you want it, fading away when not in use, and popping out effortlessly when you need it to. The Stealth Mount Kit includes the mount itself, the Lysen phone holder, and a MagSafe ring so you can attach your phone or case if it doesn't already support MagSafe. It's available starting Friday, October 10th, 2025. And for everyone with a 3D printer, the full design file is live on our printables page, completely free to download and print yourself. While you're at it, check out our drink holders, our rear seat back tablet mounts, and our other 3D printed products, all available to buy or to 3D print at little or no cost. Links to purchase or download are in the video description. This is Rob from OpenSourceEV, and I'll catch you in the next one.